Okay, everybody, we're going to do a quick. I just wanted to bring you in so that we could take a quick look at a couple of these underground bases that the remote viewers saw. And, we're going to share our view of what we're looking at here. So we're gonna go into this view. Where are we? All right. So Mount Perdido. This is in Spain. This is what the remote viewer saw. Take a look at it. I'd like to get an idea of what we're looking at here. So we can look at this together. Take a look at that. So this is the base. It's under this mountain, according to multiple remote viewers. This is what we're looking at here. High up as it spins, trying to keep our focus on what could possibly be an entrance. And as it goes around, let me move over here. There's a lot of things about this that are kind of weird. Now you notice the striations here. This is similar to what you would see with a mesa. So this is an indication that something has moved this dirt and it's all rolled down through the water coming down. You get these little claw mark looking things like they do on mesas. And you see the washouts here. Softer soil. This has been tampered with, so I can see. And they got a water source on top. Are you kidding me? So what we got up here is its own water. We can see that it's been tampered and altered right here. This is definitely interesting. So if we go over here, it's been gorged by water here, but they're more up and down, right? They're not like falling off to the side like we see here and what we see at Skinwalker Ranch on their mesa. So what we have here is an indication that something, for some reason over time, and this isn't that old looking, to be honest with you. What do we have here? We've got some crazy. That's different. These are different. They could be just dark spots, but they're different. Let me zoom out for a minute here. So we've run the border. Oh, okay. Let's go back in that real quick. What do we have here? We have a void, a void. We can see all that, and a void. So we're looking at voids, right? Looking at voids. We're looking at washout. Look at the washout. So something's been put here to wash out. This loose stone is an indication something was disturbed and broken, and you get rid of the loose rock and you discard it, and it's all in a washout. There are some seriously interesting features on this mountain. Layered. Look at the layered. Like, right? You can see over time, water levels, whatever causes that. This water here. Now, we're on top of a mountain. If I have a base in a mountain, I'm going to need a water supply, right? I'm definitely going to need a water supply. Everything that we do, we need water. And you have water supply on top of the mountain that remote viewers say houses an alien base. This is pretty interesting. I look for features and things that, a lot of people don't look for. I look for species that look natural but are not exactly natural. There's some crazy things about this. I mean, it's damn good. It looks damn really good. It's look at the feature. Old volcanic opening right here, right? So we know they're attracted to volcanoes. So what we see right here, I'm going to try to center that up. This is an old opening where lava came out at one time. So it'll make the ring like so, and then where you can see where it broke in the flow channel. So that at this one point, this was an active volcano in Earth's history. And we back out, we look at the mountain chains. Of course, they're going to be interested in this area because it might be dormant below. There's high energy in this area. So what we're looking at here is a very tappable resource if you want energy. Underneath here would be a great deal of energy. There, it might have hardened over time, but below is what we're talking about. So below here, you're looking for energy. So that making sense right now, that whole there's an underground base collecting energy from the earth and that it's emitting it up. That makes total sense. Now we're going to have to look for other anomalies like this. Like, so now I kind of, as an analyst, this is what I would look for. I would look for something like that sticks out to me. And boy, you've got all kinds of desolation right here. Look at this. You're out by the, you're perfect location for whatever you need. If you have an underground location that can go under the ocean, there could be any way in on either side through the water. So maybe we're not looking at all the correct anomalies that there's a weird pattern right here. This is a very odd pattern. So what do we have going on here? It is a gigantic gash. This is an underground mountain. That's what it looks like to me. So at one time, this water right here, all the light blue, was out there. And somehow it came in. And this is what we have. We've got a strip of land. And we have an old volcanic top. So that's what I'm looking for here. So this tells me there's energy here. There's a lot of energy under the ground that can be harnessed. And not only are we looking at water on top here, look at this right here, right? More water, trapped water. Water's a perfect source of energy as well. It's sustenance for life, no matter what we believe other life to be. They're going to need some liquid, right? And here we have all kinds of water up in this mountain. It's they're like lakes. This is amazing. So now I can see how the remote viewers were so accurate in finding strange craft coming in and out of here and saying there's an underground base here. So now I can see why they would believe that. All right, it's one of the bases. So that was Mount Perdido. We are going to look at a few of the other bases on the next segment. This isn't going to be a show, considered a show right now, because this is just an add-on. But we just looked at Mount Perdido on Google Earth because we need to understand what we're talking about and what makes it unique. So now we see what's going on. There's an old volcanic head there, which means there's lava flow beneath that mountain, which is the perfect place to harness energy. You need energy from the planet. I think we're on to something. All right, guys.